All right, I've got this double-sided cleaning brush. You can see it's got an angle to it. So it's great for getting into corners of anything that you need to clean. So I'm gonna put it together and take it out on the front porch. So it just comes in these 4 different pieces. You just easily screw them on. They're really sturdy metal. Let's do the next one. Screw it on. And this has a really nice, and then the top part. It's got a hook on it so you can hang it wherever you hang your cleaning supplies. Okay, it's got these nice big brushes, and see how that goes back and forth so that you can easily get in all areas. I'm gonna take it to the front porch. So you can use this to scrub and clean anything, and the pointy part will help you get into all corners. See that? That helps you get into the corners so you can clean all areas. You can put this in a pool, help you clean a pool with a long handle, and clean any small areas that you got. This will be really nice to get everything clean.